Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are gonna rank all the makeup categories, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, if you're curious about this eye look, I filmed it, it should be already live on Instagram and I will link it down below. I saw Kirsten do this video, I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. Her name is so beautiful, but it's a bit hard for me to pronounce. But I love this video idea and I will link her video down below. And let's start. I have 15 categories in here / steps and I'm very excited to talk about them. Okay, let's start with number 15, of course, and on that spot I have setting spray and I put it on the lowest ranking because sometimes I'm skipping setting spray, so I don't find it necessary all the time because I'm not wearing the makeup for the whole day sometimes. Sometimes I'm just filming or just playing with makeup, so I'm not wearing it all day. I do enjoy setting spray. I think it melts the powder into the skin really beautifully, and I use setting spray as shadow enhancer as well. I'm spraying my brushes with setting spray, but I don't consider that setting spray. I consider that just a normal spray that I use on my brushes. So I'm talking just about setting spray in general to set the face and the foundation, powders, everything. So for that I only use it sometimes. The next one is kind of similar and it's primer. I feel like I could skip primer. I usually don't, but I don't think it's necessary for everyone and I think it's not a very interesting step as well. But I like primer, I like using them and I like testing different primers. Right now I'm actually on a hunt for a new primer, but I don't think primer is that interesting. Maybe it helps prolonging your makeup as a setting spray as well, but I don't find it very exciting, so that's the reason I'm putting it right here. Next one is powder, and I enjoy powder as well. It's very funny that I enjoy all the steps because I love makeup, so I love applying makeup, so all the steps are really interesting to me and I enjoy doing them, but I want to rank them in this video, so it was a bit hard to decide which one I like better, considering that I love all of them. But yeah, so powder, I like right now pressed powder as well as loose powder, which is something different than last year, for example, because I was only using loose powder. But right now I'm on a kick. I really want to buy every pressed powder that I see, but I don't need all of them, so I'm just chilling a bit. But I enjoy pressed powder, I enjoy loose powder as well. Usually I use loose powder on my T-zone and the pressed powder on the exterior of the face, but this is the number 13. The next one is a bit surprising because if I filmed this video like 4 years ago, this will be maybe in top 5, but right now I don't really enjoy highlighter. I mean, I want to use it and I have highlighter on every day, every time I do my makeup, I mean, but right now I don't find it very interesting and I don't really want to test a lot of formulas. I'm still interested in the Natasha Denona's formula, but besides that, I'm not really interested in a lot of highlighters. I do apply it because I like the effect on the skin, but it's not a category very exciting to me right now. The next one, the number 11, is actually bronzer, and I really enjoy bronzer. Right now I'm loving cream bronzer, and the milk one that's in my project pen is just so good and I love it so much, and I would wear that every day and I would be happy. I feel like it makes a big difference and it makes the skin very kissed by the sun, and I just enjoy bronzer. I'm not using contour, so I didn't put that in the categories, but I would put it right here as well. I don't use really contour, I use a more bronzy shade, something more warm toned, and I just enjoy that step very much. The next one is lip liner, and I always line my lips before applying any lipstick. Sometimes I'm using just lip liner and some gloss on top, and that effect is so stunning as well. So lip liners, very important in my opinion. I really enjoy using them. I prefer the sharpenable lip pencils, and those are just so stunning, and I have a lot of formulas that I love, so I'm very happy with lip pencil. It's a very important step in my opinion. The next one is foundation, and I enjoy a lot of foundations and I enjoy the step of applying foundation. I think it makes a giant difference and I just love testing new formulas as well. But right now I'm on a no-buy on foundations, and it's a bit frustrating because a lot of brands are releasing foundations right now and I want to test them, but I know that I have way too many foundations and I need to finish some first. But I really like applying foundation. Sometimes when I'm doing a no makeup, I will apply only concealer and no foundation, but I still prefer applying some foundation if I'm not in a rush, and I just love this step. I love how it mattifies the skin because I prefer a more mattifying or natural finish foundation. And usually I'm wearing a medium coverage at most. I don't love high coverage foundations that much, but wearing them is, I really enjoy that. The next one is lip gloss, and even though glossy lips are not my top favorite lip choice, I do enjoy wearing lip gloss when I'm just staying home without any makeup. Lip gloss is very flattering on the lips and I like lip gloss. I prefer clear lip glosses though. I just learned that about myself. I understand that shimmery lip glosses usually draws attention to your lips, but I don't know, the Essence Shine lip gloss, I do love that one the most, I think, because it makes your lips so plump, and I couldn't say natural, but they look so good. I really love that lip gloss, and I think I prefer clear lip glosses. The next one is concealer, and even though I don't have very drastic dark circles or something like that, and I don't have a lot of pimples, I'm very lucky, I still love concealer. It's just brightening the face and everything looks great after applying a bit of concealer, and I just love that step and love applying it. And at the end I will let you know what's my no makeup routine, because I feel like that's an important idea as well. The next one is eyeliner, and it's funny that I wrote initially some ranking on my notes and I just moved them a bit right now. And of course, if I would film this video tomorrow, maybe the ranking would be different because it depends on the mood. And yeah, so today I have in the number 6 eyeliner, and that's because I really enjoy eyeliner. And in here I'm including black liquid liner or pen liner and all of that, but I'm including pencil liners as well. So the waterline liner, that's the most important one, because I don't wear a black liner too often. I like the effect, I like how it looks and everything, but I'm too lazy. so I'm talking in here mostly about waterline eyeliner, because I wear that every time I do eyeshadow. So I just love it, because if I'm doing a lower lash pop, I sometimes just do a neutral top lid and a color on the waterline and the color on the lower lash. So let's say, for example, that I have a blue lower lash. I don't love blue eyeshadow in general that much, but for the lower lash with a blue waterline pencil, it looks so stunning. I enjoy that look very much. So an eyeliner on the waterline is a must for me, so I really enjoy that step. Next one, I think it's number 5. It should be number 5. I move them around, I'm not sure, but I have lipstick in here. I'm including in here liquid lipstick and bullet lipsticks as well. Right now I'm enjoying a bit more bullet lipsticks, because for all my life I've been enjoying liquid lipstick a lot more, and I'm still preferring liquid lipstick just a tiny bit, but I like wearing lipstick. I think it's so beautiful, and I usually love nudes more than colorful shades, but I have here and there some colorful lipsticks as well. I have a red from Rare Beauty, that one is so stunning. I have an orange and I have a hot pink as well, but because I'm not wearing those kind of colors too often, I don't have a large collection, but I do enjoy lipstick in general and it's so much fun. Next one is blush, and I love blush so much right now. It's very popular. I think a lot of people are enjoying blush in this moment, but it's so stunning. It's so beautiful on the skin. And right now I just adore cream blushes and even powder blushes as well. I just love blush in general. If I could just take blush and put it all over my face, that would be just stunning. I love it so much. But even before the trends, I still think blush was higher up in my list. I always enjoyed blush, so that's the reason it's so high up. Next we are at top 3, and for number 3 I have lashes / mascara. I can't wear eyeshadow without mascara. I love how mascara or maybe even lashes could save a mediocre look, because it's just emphasizing the eyes so much and it looks so stunning. I love wearing lashes, and in the last year I just grew to love lashes so much. I'm wearing them outside even, which I didn't even wear lashes in videos or in general, not even at parties or something like that, even though I'm not going anywhere, but I'm just loving lashes so much right now. So I think mascara is just so important in a makeup routine, and yeah, so I really enjoy mascara so much. Then we are at number 2, that's 4, 2, only one hand, and or like that. And I love number 2, and that is brows. I love doing my brows. I love having brows. I love drawing brows. I meant because I don't have a lot of brow hairs, but even on a no makeup, and now let's talk about that as well. So my no makeup is kind of like this. I usually apply a bit of concealer and then apply a thin layer of pressed powder usually, and then I'm doing brows. I don't know, brows are making the biggest difference in my opinion, and then I'm applying on the lips maybe a bit of gloss or something like that, usually not lipstick, and then I'm curling my lashes. I could apply mascara, but sometimes I just love the look of curled lashes. I am pretty lucky with that chapter. I have pretty long eyelashes, and just curling them looks good in my opinion. So I enjoy having that look with only brows and a bit of concealer and just something on the lips. I feel like that is a very stunning look and a very simple look to do when you are short in time. So my number 2 are brows. Like I said, I feel like brows makes the biggest difference, and I just love them so much. And my number 1, I don't think anyone is surprised. When I made the list with the ranking, I just started with number 1. I put 1 eyeshadow and then move to number 15, and I was thinking what could be number 15, but number 1 was the easiest one to put on the list because eyeshadow is just my love. Even though I'm not wearing eyeshadow in my no makeup, that's because of course I like taking my time with eyeshadow. I just love it so much. I don't love the look of eyeshadow by itself without any foundation, mascara, blush, yada, but the step itself, I just love it so much. I love taking my time. I love blending the eyeshadows, and I even like swatching eyeshadows or just looking at them, and they are so stunning. It makes me happy just looking at them. I actually did a swatch party. I will link that down below. I think it should be already live. Eyeshadow makes me so happy, so this was the easiest number 1 in history, and I love it so much. And yeah. Okay, so this was the video. If you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.